Okay, let me explain this. Okay, by the way, I got message from students. Yes, I can upload this lecture on this our YouTube, Facebook, right? When you get this lecture, my suggestion, when you give this assignment, just put on pause, try to solve it again, rewind it, do it again, unless this is key question for many tests, okay? So, and we will, after we upload, we send you link not only for people who ask me right now, would like to get link to this lecture for practicing and upload, right? We will give this percentage, majority. Only condition you have to practice, not just watch, okay? Good. So look at this problem. This problem, we already did this problem. What is weird in this? Weird that they don't have any numbers. And I told you, when you don't have any numbers, you choose numbers. We don't know weight of Bob's weight. We don't know Alex's weight. So choose nice number. If you remember how people invented percent, remember invented percent? Percent is actually what is it? This percent. So this is 1, this is 0, and this is 0. It's 100, right? Percent. So 100 is convenient number. Let me put, I use red color probably. Since I don't know their weight, but I choose convenient number to operate with. Let's say Bob is 100 pounds. Let's say. Because percent doesn't matter what we choose, the result will be the same. In this case, so step number 1. Let Bob is 100 pounds. Step number 2. Alex is 100% plus 20%. Why? Because 20% heavier. Is 120%, or convert to decimals is 1.2 of Alex. So step number 3 is 1.2, and this for Alex as well, right? 1.2 of 100 pounds. This 100 pounds. Alex is 120 pounds.
What?
Alex is 120 pounds. 1.2 times 100. So far, so good. Now, so keep in mind. Now, we compare Bob to Alex. This is Alex, and this is Bob. And we go from Alex to Bob. Alex is a base. And what we know, he is 120 pounds. And he is a base because we go from this initial point. Very important. So step number 4. Initial point is, everybody understand this, right? Because we compare to Alex, he's our base. Like in Paris, they have a base is a meter made of special material. This is base. So 120 pounds. And since this is a base, our base, this is 100, always base is 100%. So this is 100%. And Bob is 100 pounds, 100 under 100. I don't know how many percent Bob of Alex. This is Bob. And this Alex. What is the next? Cross multiplication, step number 5. X times 120 equals 100 times 100. Divide by 120 by 120. Look at those slowly, 120, 120. Now, I can divide by what? I can divide it by 4, let's say. Cross it out. Divide by 4, it will be 3. Divide by 4, it will be 25. 25 times 10 is 250 over 3. 250, it will be, what is it? 8 times 3, 24. I'll get 83. And what is it? 83 and 33, so 100%. This is the answer. This is a classical example for many tests. And many people using if 20 heavier, this 20 less. Not at all. Why? Because you move in different directions. When you go from Bob to Alex, base is Bob. It's increased 20%, plus 20%. But when you go back, base absolutely different person. And that's why you get this answer. So I have this question from many students from different tests. Even they give on job interview, and believe it or not, this Google Gaga stuff. Who really understand it right now, students? I believe this is nice from two different things. Let me emphasize. Number one, if you don't have one value, you just voluntarily choose nice numbers. Don't put, can I use 93.53? Yes, but why? Choose convenient number. And the second way, always choose base correctly, and you will be winner. Okay, again, at home, I send you this lecture, put on pause, practice, and be expert in percentage. Okay.